Welcome back to Podcast with Shiku. I'm Julie.
And I'm Jack. Today we're going to learn 50 common phrases about daily life that make chatting with new people easy.
Yes, let's start with the first few phrases you can use every day.
The first one is, how's it going? You can ask this to a friend or even someone you just met.
Hey, Sarah, how's it going?
Next, what have you been up to? This is a casual way to ask about someone's day or week.
Hi, Tom. What have you been up to lately?
Another useful phrase is, long time no see. You use this when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while.
Wow, long time no see. How are you?
Then we have, nice to meet you. Perfect for meeting someone new.
Hi, I'm Julie. Nice to meet you.
And what do you do? A simple way to ask about someone's job or study.
So, Jack, what do you do?
These first 5 phrases are super easy and very useful.
Exactly. Practice these and your conversations will feel natural.
Keep listening and we'll add more phrases in the next part.
Yes, don't forget, using these phrases helps you sound friendly and confident.
The next one is, how's your day? You can ask this to anyone and it's very friendly.
Hey, Anna, how was your day?
Another one is, what's new? A simple way to check what's happening in someone's life.
Hi, Mark. What's new with you?
Then we have, that sounds great. A nice phrase to respond when someone tells you something good.
You got a new job? That sounds great.
Really? Tell me more. Is perfect to show interest in the conversation.
You went to Paris last week? Really? Tell me more.
Another one is, I see. A simple way to show you are listening.
Oh, you moved to a new apartment. I see.
Then we have, sounds fun. Perfect when someone tells you about an activity or hobby.
You went hiking on Sunday? Sounds fun.
Another one is, I know what you mean. Shows empathy or agreement.
It's so hard to wake up early. I know what you mean.
Another one is, that's interesting. Use this to keep the conversation going.
You collect stamps? That's interesting.
No way! A fun phrase to react to surprising news.
You met a celebrity? No way!
Finally, really nice to hear that. Shows you appreciate what someone said.
You passed your exam? Really nice to hear that.
Practice these phrases and your conversations will feel natural and friendly.
In the next part, we'll continue with even more daily life phrases.
The first phrase for today is, how do you usually spend your weekends? A nice way to ask about someone's free time.
Hi, Emma. How do you usually spend your weekends?
Next is, what kind of music do you like? Perfect to start talking about hobbies.
I love music. What kind of music do you like?
Another one is, do you have any plans for today? A friendly way to ask about someone's day.
Good morning. Do you have any plans for today?
That's so cool. Use this when you want to show excitement.
You got tickets for the concert? That's so cool.
Then we have, I didn't know that. A fun phrase when you hear something new.
You speak 3 languages? I didn't know that.
What do you usually do after work? A casual question to continue chatting.
Hey, what do you usually do after work?
Another phrase is, I like that. Simple and positive.
You read a lot? I like that.
Then we have, how often do you... A good question to ask about habits.
How often do you go to the gym?
That must be fun. Shows interest when someone talks about activities.
You went skiing last weekend? That must be fun.
Finally, can you tell me more about it? Perfect to keep the conversation going.
You started a new hobby? Can you tell me more about it?
Keep practicing these phrases, and your conversations will sound natural.
Next, we'll learn the final phrases to complete all 50 daily life expressions.
The first phrase today is, totally agree. A simple way to show agreement.
I totally agree with you about that movie.
Next is, that's a good idea. Perfect when someone suggests something.
Let's try a new restaurant. That's a good idea.
Then we have, I'm not sure about that. Polite way to express doubt.
I'm not sure about that plan. Maybe we can check.
I hope so. Use this to show optimism.
Do you think it will be sunny tomorrow? I hope so.
Another one is, that sounds difficult. Shows empathy when someone shares a problem.
You have a lot of homework? That sounds difficult.
I understand. Simple and polite to show you get what someone says.
You can't come today? I understand.
Next we have, can I ask you something? Perfect to start a question.
Hi, can I ask you something about your project?
It's glad to hear that. Shows positivity when someone shares good news.
You passed the test? I'm glad to hear that.
What do you think about a great way to involve someone in a conversation?
What do you think about the new cafe in town?
And the final phrase, it was nice talking to you. Perfect to end a conversation politely.
I have to go now, but it was nice talking to you.
That's it. All 50 daily life phrases are ready for you to practice.
Keep using these phrases, and soon, chatting with new people will feel easy and natural.
How do you feel today? A friendly way to start a conversation.
Hi, how do you feel today?
What's your favorite food? Perfect for talking about likes and hobbies.
I love Italian food. What's your favorite food?
Do you like movies? An easy way to start a fun topic.
Hey, do you like movies?
Have you ever been to? Great for asking about travel experiences.
Have you ever been to London?
I'm curious about that. Shows genuine interest.
You collect coins? I'm curious about that.
What do you usually do in your free time? Keeps the conversation flowing.
What do you usually do in your free time?
That sounds amazing. Reacts positively to good news.
You climbed a mountain? That sounds amazing.
I've never tried that before. Shares your experience and invites conversation.
You bake bread at home? I've never tried that before.
Do you want to join me? A friendly way to invite someone.
We're going to the park. Do you want to join me?
It's nice to see you again. Polite and warm for repeated meetings.
Hey, it's nice to see you again.
Practice these phrases and your chats will feel more friendly and natural.
Keep going. Next, we'll add even more useful daily life phrases.
How was your weekend? A casual way to start a conversation.
Hi, how was your weekend?
Do you have any hobbies? Great for learning about someone's interests.
Do you have any hobbies?
I'm learning something new. Shares your own experience and invites discussion.
I'm learning something new. What about you?
What's your favorite place? Perfect for talking about travel or local spots.
What's your favorite place to visit?
Can you recommend something? Polite way to ask for advice.
I'm visiting your city. Can you recommend something?
I love that idea. Shows agreement and positivity.
We could go to the beach. I love that idea.
Have you tried this before? Engages the other person in conversation.
Have you tried this restaurant before?
That's very kind of you. Polite response to a gesture or compliment.
You brought me coffee. That's very kind of you.
I like your style. Compliment someone naturally.
I like your style. That jacket looks great.
What do you usually eat for breakfast? Casual topic for daily conversation.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Keep practicing these, and your conversations will feel more friendly and confident.
Next, we'll continue with even more useful daily life phrases.
What do you usually do in the evening? A simple way to ask about daily routines.
Hi, what do you usually do in the evening?
Do you like reading? Great for starting a hobby-related conversation.
Do you like reading books?
I enjoy that too. Shows shared interest naturally.
You like hiking? I enjoy that too.
Do you want to hang out sometime? A casual and friendly invitation.
We could go for coffee. Do you want to hang out sometime?
That's really helpful. Polite phrase when someone gives advice.
Thanks for the tips. That's really helpful.
I like spending time outdoors. Shares your own routine and invites conversation.
I like spending time outdoors. How about you?
Do you play any sports? Good for casual chat and getting to know someone.
Do you play any sports?
I'm looking forward to it. Shows anticipation positively.
We are going to the concert tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it.
That's so interesting. Shows curiosity about someone's life or hobby.
You work in a museum? That's so interesting.
Do you usually cook at home? Casual topic about daily life.
Do you usually cook at home?
Keep practicing these phrases and your conversations will become smooth and natural.
Next, we'll finish with the final set of phrases to complete the full list.
How do you usually start your day? A friendly way to ask about daily routines.
Hi, how do you usually start your day?
Do you like coffee or tea? A simple, casual topic.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I usually share your own habits to keep the conversation going.
I usually go for a walk in the morning. What about you?
What kind of movies do you like? A classic question for casual conversation.
What kind of movies do you like?
Do you enjoy cooking? Invites the other person to talk about hobbies.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
I think that's fun. Responds positively to someone's hobby or activity.
You bake cupcakes? I think that's fun.
Do you often go out with friends? A casual question about social life.
Do you often go out with friends?
I like trying new things. Shares your own interest and encourages conversation.
I like trying new things. How about you?
That's really exciting. Reacts to good or surprising news.
You adopted a puppy? That's really exciting.
Let's keep in touch. Polite phrase to end a conversation, but stay connected.
It was great talking. Let's keep in touch.
That's it. You now have all 80+ daily life phrases ready to practice.
Yes, practice these every day, and chatting with new people will feel easy, friendly, and natural.
That's all for today. You've learned all the daily life phrases to chat naturally with new people.
Yes, practice these every day, and your conversations will feel smooth, friendly, and confident.
Remember, the key is to use them naturally and keep smiling while talking.
Thank you for joining us on Podcast with Chico.
Keep practicing, and soon chatting with anyone will feel easy and fun.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and keep smiling.